The world we once took for granted as clean and safe has been revealed to be something else, filled with hidden threats. Our lives have changed because of the global pandemic. Our expectations for cleanliness and good sanitation practices are paramount, more important than ever. Purteq was founded to create a cleaner, safer world and deliver peace of mind by using powerful, non-toxic products. Purteq Fresh kills 99.9% of harmful germs and bacteria and is an N-listed EPA-registered product, the only botanical with such a designation. Purteq Prevent supports Fresh by enhancing the active cleaning properties for up to 90 days. Using a proprietary form of titanium dioxide, or TiO2, Prevent helps cleaning long after application. TiO2, the active ingredient in Prevent, is derived from a mineral, environmentally friendly, and creates an active cleaning barrier that keeps working hard to clean the environment for up to 90 days. We searched the globe for the safest disinfecting and cleaning technologies. Mainstream disinfectants have no negative repercussions. The most common active ingredient, quartz, quaternary ammonia for example, leave toxic fumes, have published health risks, and are banned in several European countries, as overuse may lead to the cause of superbugs. Thymol, the active ingredient in Fresh, is the only botanical disinfectant on the N list, and Prevent provides a natural, active and long-lasting cleaning. Inspect shows you the before and after difference with our luminometer readings, making invisible threats in your environment visible and therefore treatable. The Purteq program uses data to create a cleaning plan that meets specific objectives and standards. You can use our powerful products yourself as part of your regular cleaning regime, or one of our certified partners can treat your location with Fresh and Prevent. You're ready to reopen, but need the confidence that can only come from having a clean, safe building. Purteq Fresh and Prevent work together to reliably disinfect all your hard surfaces and keep them clean over time. Stay safe and cleaner. Keep your peace of mind. Join our growing list of satisfied Purteq customers. Purteq, the future of clean, the promise of safety. Live in the world you want, today.